chairperson, the dean, provost, leadership of ICAG, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all in the double entry principle. Debits of respect, credits of gratitude, and especially to our ICAG CEO, Mr. Eric Odro-Osai, said, your name alone is like an unqualified opinion. Assurance that ICAG has fairly presented excellence. Your name is not just known, it is a standard people are still trying to meet. And so if leadership is a statement of financial position, your name will sit boldly on the asset side. Now to all stakeholders present, we value you, not merely as names on register, but as the return on investment in discipline, in impact and integrity. Your input has been intentional, your throughput transformational, and your output outstanding. Because of you, we are not just taking accounting, we are becoming standards worth accounting for. So every profession has its language. Doctors speak medicine, lawyers speak law, and accountants, we speak balance. So at this moment, allow me to conduct a quick balance test. All I'll need you to do is I'll mention an accounting term and I'll require you to mention the exact opposite. And I hope all of us here, accountants or future accountants, will be able to respond quickly. Else, it means you have a going consent issue and you'll be audited after this program. So, shall we? So, debit. Exactly. Liability. Expense. Revenue. Some of you will indeed need to be audited. Revenue is exactly. Your views are true and fair. And I believe after this presentation, there will be no need for second audit. Now, let me. In the world of accounting, every transaction matters. And so welcome to this home of accountants. Welcome. Where we calculate accumulated depreciation annually, but emotionally suffer accumulated depression daily, straight line method. And yet maintain speed and composure because yes, like IAS 37, we are taught to make provision for depression and pressure. We survive under the going concern assumption. That is why I say welcome. It is our welcome because this home, it teaches us to be challenged, to be patient, to be hardworking, to be smart. This home raises the bar beyond the courts of our parents. So teach me, tell me, show me a thriving business, a thriving institution, and I'll show you that behind the scene, behind the books, behind the system is an excellent accountant. Bring me a world of professionals, and I'll show you that the accountant stands tall. Not always as the loudest, but as part of the most needed. So, if we have truthful accountants in this world, would corruption still breathe confidently like this? Because if accountants fail, entire economies experience the adjustment entries. So be a CA, rise with ICAG, advance to excel, yes, excel, because this is our PowerPoint and this gives us the word Microsoft. Be an ethical man, because beyond the classroom, beyond the books, beyond the calculators, beyond the spreadsheets and statements, is a question always bigger. What kind of accountants are we raising? They asked me, why accounting? And I said, because in a world full of stories, somebody must still tell the truth. Trial balance, no they lie. Now people, they force them to agree. They say, boss, adjust how small. Adjust what? Round up what? Round integrity, round truth. Hey, So IAS1 taught us presentation, but beyond the financial statement, how are we presenting our lives? IAS2 counted inventories, but have you counted your value? Have you? IAS7 tracks cash flow, but what kind of character is flowing through you? And IAS10, it reminds us that what happens after the reporting period matters, even when no one is watching. And IFRS 16 leases out, allows leases. But do you allow your integrity to be leased out? Oh, someone clap it for me. Clap it. Do you allow your integrity to be leased out? Of course not. So this is not just a course. This is a calling. Accounting is not just numbers, it is leadership. We don't just calculate profit, we stand for something. Because the pressure will come, the demands will come, the decision, the everything. And that is when you need to choose between bending the truth or balancing the books. Finally, at the end of it all, the greatest account you will give is not to a client, not to a company, not to your parents, not even to ICAG. The greatest account you will give is to your conscience and to God. And truth be told, that account must balance. So be a chartered accountant, be a business leader.